Walk into almost any local business, and you will likely see a digital screen displaying a stale, outdated slideshow. These displays sit frozen for months because operators treat updating them like a massive graphic design project, leading to complete paralysis. We are going to replace that paralysis with the minimum viable content workflow. This is a practical system designed to automate your screen updates and reduce your manual maintenance down to exactly 5 minutes a week. Before you touch your screens, you only need 2 things to start. The first is your Signage software. The second is a single folder on your desktop. Inside that folder, place your logo, your brand colors, exactly 1 readable font, and basic product photos. The most critical step here is shifting your mindset. You are not creating an art project, you are executing an operational routine. Treating your screens as a communication tool rather than a canvas is how you actually generate a return on your investment. Step 1 is assembling that asset library. Resist the urge to create anything new. Just gather the strict essentials, the photos and logos you already have, into that centralized folder so you aren't hunting for them later. Operators lose hours fighting unfamiliar design tools. Organizing existing files creates a straight path to publishing. Without a designer, do not try to produce an advertising masterpiece. You will end up with mediocre results that take too long to update. Signage content is a temporary consumable, not a permanent asset. The daily special changes daily. By lowering the bar for design, you make it easier to update the screens frequently, which keeps your messaging relevant to your customers right now. Step 2 is putting your assets to work. Open your template library, bypass the blank canvas, and select a pre-built layout. Updating your screen should be a mechanical sequence. Drag a product photo into the template, replace the placeholder text, and update the price. A highly stylized digital poster is useless if it displays an expired offer. A simple, high-contrast template with perfectly current information always serves your business better. The governing rule for this workflow is simple: prioritize clear readability and accurate data. Beautiful design is strictly a nice-to-have. A plainly formatted layout showing today's correct pricing tells the customer exactly what to buy. That immediate clarity drives point-of-sale conversions far faster and better than a gorgeous, over-designed graphic that just confuses them. Now that your templates are built, you need to automate them. Relying on staff to manually switch screen content during a rush guarantees it won't happen. The solution is a feature called day parting. Day parting structures your operating hours into distinct blocks: opening to 10 a.m. for morning items, 10 to 2 for lunch, and 2 to 5 for snacks. Once assigned, the system takes over. At 10 a.m., it automatically rotates from breakfast to lunch specials. You can also use calendar scheduling for specific limited time promotions. You set a hard start date and end date. When the sale expires, the offer simply disappears from the screen. Front-loading this logic entirely removes human error. The right offer hits the screen automatically at the exact moment your customer's buying intent shifts. This chart outlines your final step, the maintenance routine. To keep the system running, you replace chaotic ad hoc updates with 3 strict time-boxed intervals. For your weekly check, set aside exactly 5 minutes to update your daily special numbers and swap your primary promotional image. Next is the monthly check. Spend 15 minutes auditing your active templates for accuracy, adjusting changed prices, and shifting your seasonal items. Finally, the quarterly check. Take 30 minutes to review your day parting logic, adjust timing for busy hours, and archive outdated templates you no longer need. Notice the small time commitments. Consistently updating your simple templates matters far more than the design quality of the images themselves. By managing your content as a rigid micro-routine, your screens remain an active revenue driver rather than a neglected liability on the wall. When you put these steps together, your digital signage operates seamlessly inside your physical space, transitioning dynamically right alongside your business. This speed makes it easy to test different variables. Run option A this week and option B next week. Compare those periods against sales records to see exactly what your audience responds to most. Step back from perfectionism. Embrace simple templates, set up your day parting schedules, and stick to your routine. Let the automated framework do the heavy lifting and turn your screens into a frictionless, profitable operational asset.